Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and this time guys I'll be showing you two ways that you can power off the device. Okay, so the first way, the simplest way, is to simply pull down the notifications, pull it down twice, and you will see the power button here. Just simply power it off. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the second way. So let me just power it back on. Okay, so the next way, the second way, is to simply pull down the notifications, go into settings, scroll down to where it says accessibility, interaction and dexterity, turn on assistant menu, go ahead and hit allow, and now you will see this little floating controller. And if you swipe across here, you will see power off menu. Select it and you can power off. So that's it guys. That's my video showing you two ways to power off the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one guys. Deuces.